Hello guys, hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today's video is a little special. This video is a Christmas special video. I'm making a card today. It's a Christmas wishing card. You can send these to your friends and family. It's a Santa themed cute card. So grab your crafting items and let's get started. To begin with, you need a red paper for Santa's dress. The size of the paper will be written on the screen. Fold it in half. Now, you need a white paper of the same length as the folded red paper, that is 6 cm. Fold it in half. Take a pencil and make a mark similar to this. Cut it out. This paper will be white color of the dress. Now take another white paper of 6 by 2 centimeters. Glue it on the middle. Take another white paper and mark it the way I'm doing and then cut it out. Glue it on the bottom part. After you're done, take a black paper and make the belt with it. Take a yellow paper that is cut in the middle. Stick it on the middle of the belt. Use glue to stick on a red bow made by using a thin ribbon. Now add black buttons on the middle. Card is done. Take a white paper and write a warm and welcoming letter wishing a Merry Christmas and glue it on. For some extra decorations, add some Christmas trees made with green paper. decorate the side of the note any way you like. I decided to do a candy cane themed design. And now I will finish off with my signature. Wow, it's looking so great. Thanks a lot for staying till the end. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Hope you enjoy the holiday. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next videos. Bye bye.